Rain keeps falling through the night, calling softly through my mind. I hide every piece of longing for the love I left behind. The city lights are fading slow, like the dreams we used to know. Only echoes stay with me, where your voice was meant to be. Every raindrop calls your name, but nothing ever stays the same. I'm still here with the rain tonight, holding on, though I know it's not right. I was hoping you would find your way, but love has slowly slipped away. If loving you means losing me, then I'll let you go and set us free. Rain has seen these silent tears falling through the passing years. Every memory softly shines like old stars that lost their light. Though my heart still beats for you, I know what I have to do. Some goodbyes are meant to heal, even when they don't feel real. Time has washed our dreams away, leaving only yesterday.